Scientists have actually mapped out how our world will end. And the answer isn't one dramatic explosion. It's a series of cosmic events written into the laws of physics billions of years in advance. Today, we look at the most likely scenarios, and some of them will genuinely surprise you. Let's go. Welcome back, space explorers, to D3. Discover deep dreams and your educational gateway to the cosmos and beyond. I'm your co-captain, and today we are tackling the big one. How will the world end? Not in a scary way, space explorers, in a fascinating, mind-expanding, makes you appreciate every sunrise kind of way. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Let's get started. The most scientifically certain fate of Earth begins about 5 billion years from now, when our sun starts running out of hydrogen fuel in its core. As that happens, the sun will expand dramatically, swelling into what astronomers call a red giant star. At its largest, the sun could expand to roughly 100 to 200 times its current size, potentially reaching all the way to Earth's current orbit. Even before that happens, in about 1 to 2 billion years, the sun's gradually increasing luminosity will have already made Earth's surface too hot for liquid water. The oceans will evaporate, the atmosphere will be stripped away. Life as we know it would need to have found another home long before the sun actually reaches us. Here is one most people don't think about. In approximately 4.5 billion years, our Milky Way galaxy is going to collide with our neighboring galaxy Andromeda. Now, before you panic, galactic collisions are not like car crashes. The space between stars is so vast that individual stars almost never actually collide. Instead, the two galaxies will pass through each other, distort each other's shapes with gravity, and eventually merge into one giant elliptical galaxy over billions of years. Earth, if it still exists, would likely survive the merger itself, but the gravitational chaos could potentially alter our solar system's position within the galaxy dramatically. It is one of the most spectacular slow-motion events the universe has ever staged. On a much shorter timescale, asteroid impacts remain a real, if manageable, threat. The dinosaur-killing impact 66 million years ago was caused by an asteroid roughly 6 miles wide. Scientists actively track near-Earth objects today, and NASA has already demonstrated with the DART mission in 2022 that we can deflect an asteroid by slamming a spacecraft into it. The threat is real, but for the first time in Earth's history, a species exists that can actually do something about it. Other cosmic threats include nearby supernovae, exploding stars that could bathe Earth in deadly radiation, and gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the universe, though the probability of either happening close enough to harm us in the near future is extremely low. Zoom all the way out to the very end of everything, and physicists describe what they call the heat death of the universe. Over incomprehensible timescales, trillions upon trillions of years, all the stars will burn out. Black holes will slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation. The universe will reach a state of maximum entropy, where energy is spread so evenly that no work can be done, no heat can flow, and nothing can happen. It will be silent, dark, still, forever. It is the most distant and inevitable ending imaginable, and it puts every human worry into the most extraordinary perspective. The world will end. Science is clear about that, but not today, not tomorrow, not for billions of years. And knowing that the universe has a story with a beginning, a middle, and an eventual end makes the chapter we are living in right now all the more precious and extraordinary. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves the big questions, subscribe to D3, and as always, keep looking up.